Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring your Microsoft account is signed in and set to an eligible region. This unlocks full daily caps. Once done, open Edge, confirm your profile is syncing, and enable the rewards extension so searches count. Next, start performing desktop searches while your phone runs mobile searches in parallel. This overlaps two separate caps. Do quick, varied queries and alternate devices every few minutes, so the system records both desktop and mobile activity toward the daily totals. Now you stack high-yield actions. Prioritize daily sets, quizzes, and short video panels because they add dozens to hundreds of points quickly. Once you find a quiz or poll, finish it immediately. The system credits points fast. Simultaneously, check Xbox and app offer lists for 1-minute tasks and install required items only if you intend to keep them. Use another device or a separate Edge profile to run parallel video tasks and short browsing offers, making sure to pace them so rewards registers each completion. For the final push, top up with remaining desktop and mobile searches plus any unfinished quizzes or video panels until you reach 6,000 points. Make sure to space actions so automated limits don't block additional credit. Pause briefly between batches. If points don't appear, clear browser cache, sign out and back in, or toggle your network. This often forces a sync. Finally, verify your rewards history. If credits are still missing after 24 hours, contact support with timestamps and evidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.